Hey, this will be a video chart on DUSS. Did this one a little while ago, can't quite remember when. All I know is that the last time I did it, it is much higher now compared to last time. So if you did watch the past one, congratulations if you picked up some shares. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart, and I want to do that because I think it does a much better job of kind of showing what's going on with the chart. The daily chart, as you can see right here, looks like that. So you can still tell some things from it, but in my opinion at least, the 60-minute chart makes things a little bit more easy to visualize and really see what's going on. So the first thing I want to point out is this purple line here, which is a 60-period simple moving average, and you can see that this is a very important level of support. And in my opinion, if the chart's going to continue to look as strong as it has, this is the level that must hold. You can see that since this period here where the price got above it, every time there's been a pullback, that is exactly where it's found support. Now, more of an ideal level of support, meaning that ideally you'd like to see this level hold, but if it doesn't, no need to panic or freak out or anything like that, is going to be this level right here. I'm simply getting this by looking at where this batch of highs was. Yes, I know we had this insane move here, but what I'm looking at is just where the majority of the highs were, and they all fluctuated right here around the 0.0085 level. So 0.0085 is what I'll call the ideal support level, but once again, if the price does break and fall below there, no need to panic, because the overall and must hold support level is going to be the 50 period, way down here. Now, in terms of resistance levels, this one is pretty easy just because it's not quite in blue sky breakout territory, but the previous high where it made during this big move here is up here at 0.014. So 0.014 is going to be the resistance, going to make that one a little extra thick to represent this being a very key level of resistance. And then once the price is above that, the chart is right back in a blue sky breakout territory. We'll go back to the daily chart real quick. But you can see that, after this level, really there isn't anything until, up here in the twos and so forth. So given where it's come from and how far back actually in the history of the chart we'd have to look, that's why I'm just calling that a blue sky breakout. So 60-minute once again here. And then the other interesting thing is big time volume on this breakout move here. And then you can see that during the consolidation period right here, you look down here at the volume and it was much less. And then on this move here, you can see a volume increase, and it's actually been increasing on less volume. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but it's not really what I would call a textbook move. But at the end of the day, the key indicator that and only indicator that matters is going to be price action and volume. And price has been heading upwards. Volume has been remaining respectable in terms of liquidity. So that's all that really counts at the end of the day. So overall, nice looking chart as long as it keeps going through these healthy consolidations. Here's a healthy consolidation down to that move. This was a nice little consolidation here down to the 50 period once again. And once again, as long as this 50 period holds, and the chart is really going to continue to look quite bullish. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was DUSS. Thanks for listening.